Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. This is Mona Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul with you guys. Every one of us who loves makeup know what a big deal Nykaa's Pink Friday sale is, and the offers are so amazing that you cannot help but buy them. So I ended up getting quite some stuff from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and I'm going to share everything that I got with you guys. Now let's get started with the video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please subscribe, and if you enjoy watching the video that you're watching right now, then please hit the thumbs button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Yeah. So I'll start off with the miscellaneous things first. I got this PAC makeup sponge pie, and this is what it looks like. I have opened it, but I have not used it as of now, and this is what it looks like. It has 8 pieces of triangular sponges right here, and I needed this for my professional makeup that I do, and so I got this PAC makeup sponge, and it comes in a set of 8. So this is the first product that I got. The second thing that I got from PAC itself is a PAC long lasting kohl pencil in the shade Skin. This is basically a nude eye pencil, and this is what it looks like. I really love that it comes in a Ziploc pouch like this, and this is what the pencil looks like. I'll give you guys a quick swatch. The pencil is very creamy, it's very smooth, and it just glides on like butter. I haven't really tried it out, so I cannot tell you guys about the longevity of the product, but this is what the pencil swatches like. The third thing that I got from PAC is their Super Brow Eyebrow Cream, and this is a eyebrow pomade. I wanted to try a eyebrow pomade for a very long time, so this is the one that I got, and this is in the shade 01 Cuban Espresso. I have tried it out a few times. Actually, my sister has tried it out a few times. I did not try it out. It seems very creamy, and this is what the swatch of the pomade looks like. It is actually a little bit lighter than what I would have liked it to be, but this was the only shade that was available, so I got this one only. There was an offer going on in Nykaa that if you buy PAC products worth $12.99, then you would get a PAC strobe cream free, and I bought products which are worth more than $12.99, but I did not end up getting the strobe cream. I tried quite a few times, but I did not actually get it, so yeah, that was a bummer. Keeping that aside, the next thing that I got is this Too Faced Bond This Face Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. That was a mouthful, and I got it in the shade Shortbread. I actually own this concealer in the shade Warm Beige, and that is an exact match to my skin tone, and that is actually what I am wearing right now. I am not wearing any foundation. I am just wearing this concealer, and I love this concealer. It's not drying, it's very hydrating, it's full coverage, it's waterproof. No matter how much you sweat, or even if water touches your face, this isn't going anywhere. I did this makeup when I was going out in the morning at 1 o'clock, and it's currently about 11:30 right now, and the makeup is still looking fresh. So I really like this concealer, and if you're looking for a very nice concealer and you have a budget, so I think you should go for it. I got the same concealer in a lighter shade because I wanted this to highlight underneath my eyes. Whenever I'm wearing a foundation, I like to highlight underneath my eyes with a lighter concealer, so I got this, which is very light from my skin tone. So this is the next thing that I got. These are all the miscellaneous brands that I got products from. The next products are all from MAC. I ordered these in 2 parts. The first time I ordered this MAC Fix Plus in the variant Gold Light, I have used 4 to 5 bottles of the original Fix Plus, but this time I wanted to try the Gold Light, and I'll just show you how magical this looks. Look how gorgeous this is, and I have used a lot of it and I have tried it, but I don't know if I like it or not. But this is the first product that I got from MAC, and this was the first shipment that I got. In the first shipment I got this MAC Fix Plus in the variant Gold Light, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. And I also got the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I'm in the shade NC35. I use the shade NC35 in the Studio Fix liquid as well. So I wanted to try the Studio Fix compact powder. No, it's not actually a compact powder, it's a powder foundation. So I got this one. This is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror, and this is the product, and when you take it off you have the sponge right here. So these are the two products that I got in the first shipment, and because my products were worth, I don't know how much it was worth, but it was above 4,000 or 5,000 maybe. So I got this MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tailored to Tease free on this order, and this is what the liquid lipstick looks like. So I got this liquid lipstick absolutely free. This is the shade Tailored to Tease, and this liquid lipstick retails for I think 2200, and getting this liquid lipstick free is so mind-blowing. So with these two products I got this liquid lipstick absolutely free, and I also got a mini strobe cream in the shade Pink Light free with the two products as well, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I haven't really tried it. I'm saving it up for special occasions. So yeah, that's that. So this was another freebie that I got with this product. The next thing that I bought is this MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation in the shade NC47. Now I obviously did not get this foundation for myself because this is way darker than my skin tone. I got this because I am a makeup artist by profession and I need to stock up on shades for my clients. So I got this shade of the MAC Studio Fix Liquid Foundation for my clients. This is not for me. And when I ordered this foundation, this costs more than 3,000 rupees or about 3,000 rupees. So I again got free gifts, and this time I got the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Topped with Brandy, absolutely free again. And this is what it looks like. It's a dusty mauve kind of a shade, and this is what it looks like. This is again for 2200 I believe, and I got it absolutely free. And this time around again I got the complimentary MAC Strobe Cream free. This is the mini one, and this time I also got the MAC Natural Radiance Primer, and this is in the variant Radiant Yellow. And this is what it looks like. I haven't used it. Again, I'm going to save it for special occasions. And this was the other freebie that I got. Now, since Nykaa Pink Friday sale was during my birthday month, Nykaa very generously sent me a birthday gift, and this is their Nykaa Go for Glow Age Rewind face mask, and this is what it looks like. First, let us just take a minute and appreciate how gorgeous the packaging looks. This is a peel-off mask, I believe, and this is what it looks like. The packaging looks absolutely stunning. I haven't used this yet, but I plan on using this again. So these are all the products that I got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see separate reviews of any of the products that I got in this video. I really hope that you guys enjoy today's video, and if you do, then don't forget to hit the thumbs button. And until next time, stay safe, stay home, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.